If you've ever had the wheel pop off your bag, the zipper split right before a flight, or the handle jam halfway through a crowded terminal, you know the soul-crushing travel frustration. That's why investing in a top-tier carry-on suitcase is the smartest decision any frequent flyer can make. So in this video, I'm going through the 7 best carry-on luggage options that are truly worth the investment based on durability, features, and overall value. Whether you need a sleek, indestructible hard shell for international travel, a lightweight soft side with great external pockets for business, or the best expandable option, I'll have the perfect carry-on solution for everyone. You'll find links to the best prices for all the carry-on luggage mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these carry-on luggage aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 7 is the Swiss Gear Scion Soft Side Expandable. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This one is great for you if you want a reliable carry-on that gets you through a 1 to 3 day trip without stress. It's soft-sided, expandable, and easy to move around even in crowded airports. The material is a scuff-resistant polyester, so it holds up well and still looks clean after travel. You get 4 360-degree spinner wheels that roll smoothly. There are handles on the top, side, and even the bottom. The handle at the bottom makes a big difference when you're pulling it out of an overhead bin. It also has 2 outer pockets. The top one is perfect for your phone, wallet, and keys when you're going through TSA. The bottom pocket has more space, so you can slide in snacks, a book, or an extra layer. Inside, it opens like a bucket, which is easy to pack. You get a big open space, adjustable tie-down straps, a large mesh pocket, and a small zipper pocket on the side for things you want tucked away. There's even a snap-in TPU bag for toiletries or anything damp. Overall, if you just want a simple, durable carry-on that's easy to live out of and doesn't cost a lot, this one fits the most budget-friendly category perfectly. Number 6 is the Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential Spinner. This is the best soft-shell carry-on luggage on our list. If you travel a lot and want something that feels reliable every single time, this one makes a strong case. It's a 22-inch carry-on that expands when you need more room, but also compresses back down to fit in most US overhead bins, so it's great if you tend to pack just one more thing all the time. The wheels glide smoothly. They're shock-absorbing and turn in every direction. They also stay pretty quiet, even on rough floors, and the handle feels solid too. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminum, and since it sits on the outside of the bag, you don't lose space inside from those handle bumps. The fabric is strong ballistic nylon, which holds up well against scuffs and rough travel days. You also get several grab handles, top, side, and bottom, so lifting it into an overhead bin feels easier. On the front, there's a quick access pocket for things you want to grab at the airport. It even has an orange lining that shows when it's open, so you don't walk around with it unzipped by mistake. There's also a USB pass-through pocket for charging on the go. Inside, you get a large flat packing area and a built-in suit compartment to help keep clothes from wrinkling. And the zippers are self-repairing, which is a nice safety net if you're hard on your bags. Sandy puts it as, "Best luggage I've had. Love the compression feature, roomy size, lots of pockets. Wheels glide easily, sturdy fabric and construction. Overall, if you want a soft shell carry-on that's built to last for years, this one honestly sets the standard." Number 5 is the Eagle Creek Warrior XE 2-wheel convertible. This is the most durable adventure carry-on luggage on our list. If you want to drag your luggage where the ground is rough, this bag fits right away. It's a compact carry-on with an expandable panel, so you get extra space when you need it without making the bag feel bulky. It has a convertible design. You can roll it on its 2 heavy-duty wheels, or you can pull out the hidden backpack straps and wear it like a backpack when your hands are full. That makes it really handy for airports, buses, or long walks between terminals. It's made from 100% recycled fabric. It's weather resistant, so light rain or snow won't be a problem. The build has a rugged, boxy look Eagle Creek is known for, and the grab handles on the top, sides, and bottom make it easy to pull, lift, or drag however you need. There's also a front pocket for small items, plus a cargo net-style pocket on the outside where you can stash a jacket or anything soft you don't want to hold. The main space is deep and open inside, so packing is simple, and you get compression straps to keep things tight. It also has an interior laptop sleeve, which is nice if you travel with work gear. Yes, it's pricey, but the durability and long-lasting design help justify the cost. Overall, if you want a carry-on built for real adventure, this one is hard to beat. Number 4 is the Tumi 19-degree International Expandable. This is the most premium option on our list. If you're someone who wants a carry-on that feels high-end the moment you touch it, this one hits that mark fast. It's a hard-shell suitcase with a modern design. The shell is tough enough to handle both international and domestic trips without stressing you out about scratches or dents. It has a simple opening. You get a zip entry into the main space, plus an expansion zipper if you need a little extra room. Packing is easy too. You'll have compression straps to keep clothes in place. It comes with a luggage tag and all the small, thoughtful touches you'd expect in a premium bag. Plus, moving it around feels smooth. It has 4 spinner wheels that glide well on airport floors, a 3-stage handle that locks at different heights, and a low-profile integrated lock to keep your stuff secure while you're on the move. And you can also personalize it the way you want. You can monogram it. There's a built-in Tumi tracer to help find your bag if it gets lost, and even a USB-C port so you can charge devices on the go when you connect your own power bank. Also, Tumi covers it with a 5-year warranty, which adds some peace of mind for a bag at this level. This is what a customer wrote. "This will be the final set of luggage I purchased due to the exceptional quality of its manufacturing. The product is well made and thoughtfully designed, showcasing durability while maintaining an appealing aesthetic. It performs excellently in terms of handling and is remarkably lightweight, which prevents any substantial increase in my check-in weight. I intend to acquire another set for my upcoming overseas travel." Overall, if you want a carry-on that combines style, durability, and smart features, this one definitely lives up to the premium label. And if you want to know the latest prices for the carry-on luggage discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Away the Carry-On. This is the best hard-shell carry-on luggage option on our list. This bag not only looks clean and simple, but still feels strong. This one hits that balance really well. It has a lightweight 100% polycarbonate shell, so it feels tough without being heavy. Its size is airline-friendly, so you don't have to worry about overhead bins. Rolling it around is easy too. The 360-degree spinner wheels glide smoothly, and the handle has 2 height settings, so you can set it where it feels right. There's even a small grab handle underneath, which makes lifting it from the floor or a trunk way easier. Inside, it's surprisingly roomy. You get a compression pad that helps you fit more, a zipped section for things you want to keep separate, and even a laundry bag. For most people, it's enough space for a 3 to 5 day trip. If you pack normally, check out what Nikita wrote. "Packed for an international work trip, was able to fit 5 days of clothing plus everything I purchased at my destination. This is the lightest I've ever packed and also the most functional. Recommend pairing with the Away Backpack Pack, which I continue to use for work. It also comes with a TSA-approved lock, which is nice for those times when you want your stuff to feel safe. Plus, Away backs it with a limited lifetime warranty that covers the shell, wheels, and handle, all the important parts. Overall, if you want a clean, durable, hard-shell carry-on that's easy to pack and easy to move around, this is the one that stands out." Number 2 is the North Face Base Camp Rolling Thunder. This is the best rugged carry-on for adventure travel on our list. This carry-on luggage doesn't need any babysitting. It has a tough shell, and the fabric is the same recycled base camp material. The North Face uses in their outdoor gear. It can take hits, scrapes, and rough handling without falling apart. There's also a water-repellent finish, so light rain or wet ground won't stress you out. The layout is simple but smart. You get a front pocket for quick grab stuff, and the main space opens wide so you can pack fast. There's a compression panel inside to keep clothes tight and 2 mesh pockets for small things you don't want floating around. And since the body is soft, you can stuff it a bit when you need extra room. Moving it around feels easy too. The wheels are built for straight rolling on uneven paths, and the frame is strong enough to keep the shape even when the bag is packed heavily. Plus, there are grab handles all around and a Sherpa strap on top if you want to stack another bag on it. Weight-wise, it's around 11 pounds, so it's not the lightest, but that's expected for something this durable overall. If you want a carry-on that can handle real travel, not just airports, this one is built for the hard stuff. Number 1 is the Travel Pro Platinum Elite 21-inch expandable spinner. This is the best overall option on our list. This bag is made for people who travel a lot. Everything about it sounds built for smooth, stress-free trips. The wheels line up on their own, so the bag glides straight without wobbling, and the handle has 4 height settings, which is nice if you don't want to hunch over while pulling it. The outside is made of strong nylon with a special coating to help it handle bumps and rough use. And if you ever need more room, it can expand about 2 inches without losing its shape. The layout is organized. There's a suitor for dress clothes, tie-down straps, extra pockets, and even a removable wet bag for things like a damp shirt or toiletries. You'll also get USB-A and USB-C ports on the outside, and there's a small pocket inside for your power bank, so you can charge your phone while waiting at the gate without digging through your stuff. It fits most U.S. airline overhead bins as long as you don't fully expand it, and at 7.8 pounds, it stays pretty light for a soft-sided bag with this many features. Overall, if you want a carry-on that feels reliable, easy to roll, and makes travel simpler, this one fits that best overall spot really well. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect carry-on luggage, and if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each carry-on luggage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.